In this video, let me show you how to use Swapping Orbs in Archero 2. The Swapping Orb in Archero 2 is a valuable item that allows you to exchange one piece of any S-tier equipment within the same set. This feature is especially useful for players looking to optimize their gear without depending solely on drops or heavy grinding. To use the Swapping Orb, go to the warehouse. You'll find a third option labeled as Rank Gear Swap. Here you can trade a specific piece of equipment for another item in the same gear set. There is a same set requirement, meaning you can only swap within the same set. Swapping is only available for items that have reached at least the Mystic tier. Orb costs vary depending on the rarity of the gear. Epic S tier gear costs 10 swapping orbs. Legendary gear costs 20 swapping orbs. Mythic gear costs 40 swapping orbs. This feature becomes available after progressing past a certain point in the game. Once unlocked, it offers a strategic way to complete or fine-tune your equipment set. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.